As someone who loves coffee but it's always on the go, this portable espresso machine has been such a cool find. It is super lightweight and compact, so it easily fits in a backpack or a travel bag, which make it perfect for trips, camping, or even bringing to the office. All you have to do is add hot water and your capsule, press the button, and it brews a fresh espresso in seconds. The 160 milliliter water tank is actually bigger than most portable machines, so you don't have to refill it constantly. It runs on a rechargeable battery and can brew a lot of cups on a single charge, which is great if you're traveling. Honestly, it's like having a mini coffee shop whenever you go. If you're looking for a product like this one, I highly